At our last group lesson with students from India, yes, India, Bala shared his observation with us. Raji told she loved cooking. I told Bala, "Hi Bala, told is odd, said is better." Bala looked at me confused. But tell and say mean the same thing, don't they? I told Bala, "Let me create a YouTube video to explain the differences to you in details." We use tell to give information to someone. Formula: tell plus someone plus something. Note: tell must be followed by someone. Someone is critically important. Example: I tell Mary I love her. Of course, Mary is important. Definition: we use say to express something using words. Formula: say plus something. Note: say cannot have someone after it. Someone is not important. Example: I say I love her. Mary is not important, so we do not mention Mary here. Here is one example. Tom said he was hungry. Say plus something. Tom told us he was hungry. Formula: tell plus someone plus something. Here is another example. Formula: say plus something. I said their new house is beautiful. Formula: tell plus someone plus something. I told Tom and Mary their new house is beautiful. Please note that the someone of Tom and Mary is critically important here. Here is another example. Formula: say plus something. What did Tom say? Formula: tell plus someone plus something. What did Tom tell you? The someone of you is critically important here. Here is another example. Say plus something. Where are they going? Mary did not say. Tell someone plus something. Where are they going? Mary did not tell me. The someone of me is critically important. Now, let's circle back to Bala's sentence. The original sentence is, Raji told she loved cooking. The correct sentences are, Raji said she loved cooking. The second sentence, Raji told us she loved cooking. Now that we settled on the following two correct sentences, Raji said she loved cooking. Raji told us she loved cooking. I know you might ask, Coach Albert, which sentence do you prefer? My choice is A for the following two reasons. A has one fewer word. KISS is my guiding principle. B, the object of us, is assumed, so we don't need to mention it in the sentence. In this workshop, we discovered this confusing pair of English verbs, tell and say. We explained the differences with formulas and sample sentences. We made the best word choice for Bala. Lastly, and most importantly, thank you for watching. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.